What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Sam Lopez, Team Good Life, here at someoneiswithaz.org, or wherever you're watching this from. I want to give you a free tutorial on how to create a Gmail account. So many people out there online don't have email accounts. A Gmail account is a great tool to have for any online marketing, for anything that you have going on that you're doing online, that you're trying to get a full-time income doing part-time things. Plus, a Gmail account without the G Suite, but a Gmail account, a regular Gmail account, is absolutely free 99. It's a freemium. It's free. So this is a free tutorial about it. Let's go. First, we'll go to Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want. You could use Safari. You could use Firefox, Internet Explorer. I'm just happening to use Google Chrome because we're talking about a Google product, and I like Google anyway. Google Chrome. So we're gonna head over to a Gmail. You could put gmail.com and it usually comes up right away. And account login or any one of these. You could go to this right here, the screen on the Google search, and you could log in. You could go to Gmail account, whatever you want to do. And if you want to even get a quicker search, you could go create and it'll look it up for you, Gmail create, and it should go to create account. So here we go. So you go to create your Google account, you put your name. I'm going to put, John Doe for this tutorial. And this email address should be connected or should be something that you could tie in with your online niche. You might be a chef and you might have a YouTube that shows your chef skills and your cooking skills. You might be a podcaster and you might want to just share an email for your podcast listeners. You could do that, whatever niche it is. Let's say I'm a podcaster, which I am, and I want an email, a Gmail account. So I could just put podcast, maybe 1234 at gmail.com, right? So you're going to create a Gmail account. So if you want podcast 1234 at gmail.com. Create a password. Password should be at least 8 characters long and have a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. So right here, I'm going to just use one, a generic one. And hopefully it'll work. And hopefully this right here will be available. So sometimes you'll put a username and it's not available. So let's go. Let's retype this. Put that in. Confirm it. The same password that you used on the left side should be on the right side. And you're going to next it. Looks like the username is taken. So let's put another number here. I'm not going to be using this anyway. I'm just showing you how easy it is. So we'll go. That's taken as well. So they'll show you what's available. And sometimes if you can't get the exact one you want, you might have to just play with numbers at the end. That's what I do. Or you can put periods afterwards. So podcast.247 at gmail.com. That's taken as well. Let's try podcast 456R. If that's taken, I give up. Okay. Then you'll put your number. It's optional, but I like to put the phone number, my cell number, so that way if I need to get a password recovery or anything like that, or if I have any issues with my Gmail account, I could get that fixed right from my phone. So I'm going to put my real number. For those who've been following me, you know my number anyway. So if you didn't have my number, there it is. And this is my recovery email address right here. So it's all good. Now I'm going to put a fake date of birth here. And you don't need to be knowing all that information, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm a male. And if you want to know why they ask these questions, they actually have a link that says why we ask for this information. So that way you can know for sure why they're asking you for the information. Go ahead and forward that. Now I'm going to send a verification code. They're going to send a verification code to my phone. It takes like around 10 seconds. You don't believe me? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, I already got it. Within 5 to 10 seconds, you usually get it. and then it'll be a verification code right on your phone, and you'll use that number right after the G. So whereas in my case, this is my verification code, and by the time you see this video, this account will be deleted anyway, just in case you're trying to look into this email address, which won't be available after this tutorial. So you got this coming up. It's good. If you want to look for some more information, there's a more information tab here. You could add your number. You don't want to add your number, you can add my number for an account for security only. You could do what all these options are telling you that are available. But right now, I'm not going to read anything. I suggest you read everything if this is your first time on the Gmail account. So yes, I'm in. Here's the privacy and terms. I really highly recommend that you read the privacy and terms. There's some information there that you probably never knew about your privacy over here in Gmail, but it's all good stuff. And right now, I don't need that. You have ads, personalizations. If you have any kind of ad accounts with Gmail, you might have AdWords or whatever you're using to generate leads, because that's the whole idea. You want to generate leads to go through some kind of a funnel and get the emails through your Gmail account. But for now, I'm going to say, hey, I don't need all of that, and I'm good, right? So I agree with all that, and that's it. Now they're going to talk to you about a little bit of security and all those type of things. You could link up for payments, purchases, subscriptions. There's so much you could do with your Gmail account. So that's pretty much set. It's all set up. Here goes the new Google account, John Doe, and click it. Go through this information, some security, and then you'll be done. So it's very simple. I highly recommend you do it. And this way you can create lists of your prospects, for your business accounts, for appointments, everything. It comes with some calendars. It comes with your YouTube account. You can link to it, your calendar, Google Plus, your contacts, very important, some news. You have your own Google Drive that they'll give you some space to save on the cloud. You could get a translator and some photos. You get way more apps, but it already comes stocked with 3, 6, 9, 12, 13 apps already. All right. So with that said, get your Google account going. It's that simple. Get your email, match it up, mesh it up with your niche or what you're trying to do online. And for the next tutorial, I'll show you how to even go further with your Gmail account. It's all free. It's a free tutorial as well. So it's Mr. Sam Lopez. Click the link in the post and you could get the #1 online marketing strategy that I'm using right now to generate a great income. Doing part-time work online to generate a full-time income. So with that said, God keep you, God bless you, and remember, God is good. Peace.